How is a pressure defined in the relation to force and area? The pressure is a per unit force is called force acting on per unit area is known as pressure.
Pressure.
है कि नहीं?
Pressure.
What is the mathematical formula used to calculate pressure?
Mathematical formula used to calculate pressure. Force divided by area.
Force divided by area.
Area.
Yes.
F upon A.
What is a SI unit of pressure?
Pascals. PA. Pascals.
How does increasing the area over which constant force is applied affect the resulting pressure?
Affect the resulting pressure. It decreases pressure.
Yes. Increasing the area decreases the pressure. Why do school bags with broad straps feel more comfortable than usual?
Then, because the area is larger and pressure is decreased.
Yes. Why the
Why
pointed
is
end
the
of
pointed end of an iron nail easier to drive into a wooden plank than a flat head? Because because area of the flathead is larger, less force is less pressure is less pressure, and it is of less pressure. But since a pointed end of an iron nail has lesser area than the flathead, it applies more pressure.
the smaller area pointed end result in much larger pressure for the same applied force. Okay.
Yes, sir. Why do porters place a round piece of cloth on their heads while carrying heavy loads? To increase the area so that less pressure is there.
Yes.
To increase the area.
इंक्रीज एरिया इंक्रीज करेगा तो लेस प्रेशर हेड पे लगेगा,
Hmm.
राइट? लेस प्रेशर होगा तो हमें पेन नहीं होगी, राइट? इंक्रीज एरिया ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट विच रिड्यूसेस प्रेशर एक्सर्टेड बाय लोड्स ऑन द हेड्स.
Calculate the pressure exerted if a force of 100 N is applied to an area of 2 meter per square. 50.
Yes, that will be 50 Pascal.
On what primary factor does the pressure exerted by a liquid at the bottom of a container depend? On what primary factor is the pressure exerted? Height or depth? Column.
Water column height.
Liquid column height. Yes.
Depend on height of the liquid column.
In which directions do liquid exert pressure within a container? All directions.
All directions.
Yes. All directions. Why are overhead water tanks typically placed at a significant height? To increase water pressure.
To increase.
Because higher the liquid column, higher the pressure. Why is the base of a dam constructed to be much broader than the top? The base of a dam constructed to be much broader in the bottom than the top, so that because water exerts more pressure at a greater depth. So to maintain to maintain the pressure, as greater the depth of the water, the greater would be the pressure.
Broader base require withstand the very high horizontal water pressure found at the greater depth. As you go inside the depth, the pressure increases, right?
Yes, sir. What is the name of the envelope of air that surrounds the earth? Atmosphere.
Yes.
What term describes the pressure exerted by the weight of air in the atmosphere? Pressure exerted by weight of atmospheric pressure. Why does a rubber sucker stick firmly to a smooth flat surface when pressed?
Air
Atmospheric
suckers atmospheric
atmospheric
pressure, and inside the
because
suckers.
inside the rubber sucker the pressure is much lower than the pressure outside, so it creates a vacuum. Why are humans not crushed by the immense weight of the atmospheric air column? Because our internal body pressure is equal to the pressure exerted by atmosphere because of fluids. The atmospheric pressure on an area of 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter is equivalent to the force of gravity on a mass of approximately. So ये नहीं आया समझ.
The atmospheric pressure on area this is equivalent to the force of the gravity on a mass of appropriate. mg कितना हो जाता है?
सर इन्हें बस इंटू कर देंगे बस इन्हें.
हाँ, g से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है उसमें. क्या कर देंगे? g से मल्टीप्लाई, ग्रेविटी से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है तो वेट बन जाता है. कितना हो जाता है? वेट. वेट हमारा m इंटू जी होता है.
सर m क्या हुआ?
मास. अब इक्विवेलेंट जो मास होती है वो एरिया से क्या हो जाएगा? वो ये इसका जो क्या है एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर है ना, तो इसका मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 225 kg हो जाएगा वेट.
यस सर.
वेट के इक्वल आ जाएगा वो.
हाँ ठीक है. In meteorology, what is the practical unit commonly used to express air pressure?
मिलीबार. किस में होता है? पास्कल में. मिलीबार में हेक्टो.
Pascal, hecto something, hectopascal शायद.
मिलीबार.
सर हेक्टोपास्कल में भी तो होता है.
वो एसआई यूनिट नहीं है.
अच्छा.
होता है लेकिन.
How many pascals are equivalent to 1 millibar? Hindi, how do I speak it? Reduces air pressure. Reduces air pressure.
पक्का.
Reduction. Why do two inflated balloons move towards each other when air is blown into the space between them? Move towards each other the space between them? Because because faster moving air exerts lesser pressure.
create pressures. Air creates low pressure zone between them, allowing higher surrounding pressure to push them together.
What causes the initial upward movement of air that leads to storm formation?
Hmm.
That leads to storm formation. Storm formation. Lift, lifting. What is the initial movement? Heating. Heat. Heat. Define a storm in the context of a weather phenomena. A storm. A storm. A storm is an atmospheric disturbance which
High speed wind
has
plus
which has low pressure in its in the eye of the storm, and strong winds surrounding it,
तो साइक्लोन
it
रहता है,
usually.
तो
Yes, sir.
साइक्लोन है. विंड
Sir,
में क्या हाई स्पीड होती है और लाइटनिंग होता है या थंडर होता है, इसमें डिफरेंस है ना. लाइटनिंग या थंडर में से कोई एक हो.
sir, yes, sir.
रेन हेल एंड स्लो. रेन हेल एंड स्नो.
Hail and snow.
स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड accompanied by रेन हेल एंड स्नो, ये तीनों हो सकती है.
How do static electric charges develop within storm clouds? Within storm clouds. Through collisions of particles. Through collision of particles.
Different particle, positive and negative charge particles. They are created by rubbing water droplet and ice particle caused by strong upward and downward wind.
In a storm cloud, where do the positively charged ice particles typically accumulate?
Hmm.
In a storm accumulate. Upper part.
Hmm.
Sorry, upper part. ये clouds के पास होता है शायद. Upper part. What happens to the ground's electrical state when the negatively charged lower part of a cloud moves close to it? What happens to the ground's electric?
इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक लग सकता है, डैमेज कर सकता है, और एनिमल को, ह्यूमंस को
Positive.
Hmm.
Positive charge. What phenomenon occurs when the electrical insulation of air breaks down due to massive charge buildup in clouds? Lightning?
Yeah.
What causes the sound known as thunder during a storm? Expansion of air
Sure.
because of lightning.
Hmm.
Expansion of air due to lightning.
Rabbit hitting up air by lightning causes it expand suddenly and
Expand.
producing a loud sound. What is thunderstorm?
What is a thunderstorm?
Wind plus rain
A
plus.
thunderstorm is a weather which consists of lightning and thunder, sometimes rain.
Yes. Both lightning and thunder. A storm is especially accompanied by lightning and thunder.
What is the local name for pre-monsoon thunderstorms in West Bengal, Bihar, and Jharkhand? Side. नहीं, ये नहीं पढ़ा सर हमने. ये पढ़ा नहीं है.
काल बैसाखी.
काल बैसाखी. काल बैसाखी. Which specific thunderstorms in southern India are known for supporting the ripening of fruit?
Mango sour.
Why should one avoid using an umbrella with a metallic rod during a thunderstorm?
Lightning को बचाता है.
Because metal is a conductor which can attract lightning, which basically acts as an antenna, and you could get shocked, possibly deathly. What is the safest posture to adopt in an open area?
Yes. बताओ इसका.
Yes, sir. Sir, crouching.
Crouching, sure.
Yes, sir. Where do cyclones typically originate? Warm tropical oceans.
Warm
Warm
ocean.
oceans.
Yes.
What energy releasing process further fuels the rising air in a developing cyclone?
Spinning.
Spinning
of the earth.
Heat condensation.
Heat तो रहता है.
Heat condensation. Spinning of earth and heat condensation.
Condensation of water vapor. Good.
What physical factor causes the moving air in a cyclone to spin? What physical factor causes the moving air in a cyclone to spin? कोई effect.
Earth rotation.
Earth's rotation. What is the eye of a cyclone?
Low pressure inside the.
Is the low pressure circular region in the middle of this cyclone.
Center of the cyclone.
Very center. Why does a cyclone lose strength once it moves towards the ocean onto land? Onto land. Because moist air and warmth is cut off. Energy is basically energy.
Source of water and fuels the storm cut off.
What is the typical height of the water wall storm surge pushed towards the shore by a cyclone? 6 to 12 feet. 6 to 12 feet.
6 to 12 feet.
Huh. 3 and 12.
Hey.
How does seawater inland surge affect farmland infertility? Because
seawater is salty.
because seawater is salty, and it also induces the groundwater with a lot of sodium, which leads to infertility. Which government body in India is responsible for issuing weather alerts and tracking cyclones? Um, India Meteorological Department, IMD. What modern technology allows for the accurate prediction and tracking of cyclone paths? Radar. Uh, Satellite sensing, satellites.
Yes.
What is the relationship between airspeed and air pressure as demonstrated by blowing over a paper strip?
Hmm.
Uh, the increase of speed in air decreases the pressure,
Okay.
decreases the pressure exerted by it. Identify the primary gases that compose the Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen, nitrogen, argon, and carbon dioxide.
Nitrogen also.
Why is it easier to cut an apple with the sharp edge of a knife rather than the blunt edge? Because the thin edge, because the sharp edge has less surface area, because of which it exerts higher pressure than the blunt side.
Yes.
Truth or false? The weight of water, true or true or false, the weight of water in a pipe is the primary factor for the pressure at the bottom, regardless of column height. False. False.
Yes.
What happens to the size of a balloon if you increase the height of the water column in the tube attached to it?
प्रेशर हाइट बढ़ जाएगा.
Balloon
balloon.
size increase.
प्रेशर.
How does air inside an inflated balloon respond when the mouth is left open? It deflates instantly. The air rushes out.
Escape from the move
Equalize
from the
pressure.
region of high inside to a low pressure.
Equalize pressure.
escape हो जाए, भागेगा
Hmm.
हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की तरफ.
What was the peak wind speeds of Amphan cyclone in 2020?
पता था नहीं.
Which Indian states refer to local thunderstorm as Bordosilla?
बिहार, झारखंड, उड़ीसा. बिहार जा
Assam.
असम. यस. अच्छा बॉडो सिला था, वो क्या था? बॉडो मसा.
Kai,
हाँ
Kai,
काला काला मसाई.
Kalamansa.
नेक्स्ट.
In a storm, what prevents opposite charges from meeting until the build-up is very large? In storm. In air which acts as a Barrier as
Mm-hmm.
an insulator, which prevents it to meet.
Mm.
What can cyclones cause? Drinking water contaminations in coastal areas
Due to this salty water.
due to salty water. What is the effect of lightning on the air immediately surrounding its path?
Mm.
What is the effect of lightning on the air immediately surrounding its path? It it immediately heats up, it heats up, and there is also chemical transformation. It heats up immediately,
Mm-hmm.
and there is also a chemical reaction. In the bag strap example, which variable is held constant while comparing Megha and Pavan's bags?
Force.
Force. No, area.
Area. Strip. Strips of the
Area.
bag. Straps of the bags.
Hmm.
तो फोर्स हमारा
Wait.
कांस्टेंट रहता है. वेट तो सेम रहेगा ना दोनों क्लास के.
Wait, same. How is the SI unit of pressure? N upon m square
वन पास्कल के इक्वल होता है.
1 Pascal. What is the primary objective of placing a round piece of cloth under a load carried on the head?
Mm-hmm.
To increase a surface area of contact, which decreases the pressure.
Weight act is reduce the pressure increasing a cyclone.
During cyclone formation, what happens to the heat taken up during evaporation?
Mm-hmm.
What happens to the heat taken up during evaporation, released back into the atmosphere? What is the state of the wind at the eye of a cyclone?
Mm.
The state of the wind at the eye of light winds, low pressure, light winds. Wind is calm, light wind. How does the pressure at the bottom of a container change if the liquid column height is doubled? How does the pressure at the bottom? It increases. It also doubles. It also doubles. Why is it considered safer to stay inside a car or a bus during lightning? During lightning, because the metal of the vehicle acts as a.
सेफली ग्राउंड में रीच कर जाता है.
What role do local thunderstorms in Karnataka play for the regional economy? Mangoes, mango shower,
मैंगो शावर
mango shower. Huh?
हेल्प इन ग्रोथ ऑफ
Mango भी
कॉफी
तो था.
कॉफी एंड शॉप्स.
बच्चे मैंगो भी तो था. मैंगो भी तो करेक्ट आंसर होगा.
मैंगो शावर बोलते हैं बट ये किसके लिए हेल्पफुल है तो कॉफ़ी के लिए मतलब.
What is the effect of high speed winds on the roofs of houses as described in the text? What is the effect of high speed winds on roofs of houses? They can lift them up and blow them away. Lift and blow the. What happens to the horizontal water pressure in a dam as depth increases? The the pressure also increases linearly, horizontally.
का है.
PPT. Yes, sir.
हाँ